Hi everyone, we are Hokkien Mee is read and blank. Quick rundown of what we built. Front end is React plus TypeScript with Tailwind for UI, SUI wallet for our wallet integrations, and tiny Python backend for synchronizations and agent. Also, a fun news, user celebrities fall for NFT phishings. For example, Jay Chow lost a BYC NFT in a phishing attack, which shows why we need stronger authentications and fraud protections for our Web3 development.
Now let's talk about the zkLogin part. We implemented zkLogin as the primary authentication flow. Why zkLogin? Zero knowledge lets user authenticate without exposing personal data, great privacy and low user friction. Our flow, user tap sign in, zkLogin performs the privacy-preserving proof. Then we use a short-lived Web 2.0 OAuth-style handshake to authorize the SUI wallet session for signing transactions. For UX part, we have single button login, secure token sessions, seamless handoff to wallet actions, no full key custody changes, just secure proof-based identity.
A simple upload and some clicking and also description, simple description and also title for the NFT. And user can create and mint their own NFT. So I just do an example here. User can enter their NFT titles. NFT, they will be redirected to the SUI wallet and asking for password for the transaction approval. So user can approve their minting transaction here. And everything will be done on chain. And after that, the NFT will be unlisted by default. So user can view it in profile and also my collections. If user view into the NFT they just created, they can see that it's under review because now is the fraud detection agent is doing its work. So how our fraud detection doing its work is like it analyze the image and give a brief description about it and embed it into vector and store it into database. Besides that, it also analyze the titles given by the user, the price and also the descriptions. And based on every comprehensive analysis, the AI agent will analyze whether this NFT is stolen or AI generated artwork or also low quality artwork that will scam the user in NFT marketplace. So after a while, the analysis reports come up. We just want to make everything simple with description and also analysis from the AI agent. So user can feel the confidence of the AI agent and also their status, which is safe in this case. And if they want to know more about the analysis, they can view it here. Like what they can see is also this, whether this artwork is AI generated or not. And AI, the agent will give its confidence and others as well. So what actually the embeddings just now I mentioned for is actually to find the similar NFTs based on the vector embedding. So at here, you can find 5 similar NFT based on our database. So like I just said, the NFT is unlisted by default, so user can list their NFT with the desired price here, and they can list for sale, and it's also done on chain, where it will redirect to the Slush wallet and ask for user's approval. When user approve that, it will actually listed for sale in the marketplace, and it can be seen at the marketplace page here. So after that, user can also edit the price for the marketplace, and also unlist it back if they want. So it's just the same, and you ask for their approval using the Slush wallet, and everything is done on chain, and the data is recorded on chain. Our marketplace also support user to buy NFT and the data will be recorded on chain as well. So I just demo it here. And if I first user, they are uploading it for sale. And I need to approve it as usual. And as I can see here, it's now in the marketplace and I change to the second account. And I can see the marketplace here, there is the NFT that I just listed it. So the user can buy from here and it also need their approval in the blockchain using the SUI wallet. So if they approve it, the NFT is now theirs. As they can see here in my collection for the second account, the NFT is theirs. And everything is done on chain. We can view here in the SUI vision. And we can see that just now, if we refresh it, we can see there is a purchase NFT, list NFT, unlist NFT, and also mint NFT. So everything is done on chain and very transparent.
And now I'll show you another more factors of our project, which is an advanced version of AI chat versions. So now you see here, we built AI chatting agents that can assist you, not just related to the project, but also not related to the project that you can find outside of it. For example, here, I asked a question which is outside of our project. What is BAYC? We know that BAYC is a very famous NFTs that we can find on the internet. So now here, it will return you related knowledge about BAYC here, which is done by our web search agents. And now, how about I ask it about questions which is related to our project, which is Frogbat. So we refer here, it should do something which is we call local search. You will refer to the entire project and give related knowledge about it. So you can understand it as an AI versions of guidebook and Q&A.
Alright, so now I'll explain about the track 3, which is the password manager using Walrus and SUI implementation. So first thing first, you can see over here, we have to type in our master password in order to gain access to the password works. So over here, I already have some preset password. So basically, we use Walrus to store the critical password information on the decentralized storage, while we use the seal to generate zero knowledge proof for data integrity for each password entry. So as you can see here, we can now retrieve the password successfully. And now I want to test this export feature. When I click export, when we check the password is already encrypted using AES, and when we come back, so let's say somehow the user forget it, and when the user import back using the same JSON file, they can get access to the password also. Alright, so now I want to explain another feature, which is when we go to profile page, we need to enter the master password for security purposes. And for settings part, when we want to configure, we also need to type in the master password. Of course, these settings can be changed over the advanced settings over here. Alright, I think that's all from me. Thank you.